Today my sister stopped by. This is her car. 5.0, pretty nice car. Wish she would keep it a little cleaner though. Turns out she locked it. Now I'm not bashing Mustangs, but for some reason Mustangs build up so much corrosion. This car is a 2017. I done changed the terminal on this once before. You can see, I mean, these are aftermarket, and it corroded again. They corroded so bad that it ate up the wires on the last one, and there was no good connection, and the car practically died, or wouldn't start. So I'm gonna clean off this corrosion and just put some battery terminal protector on it. All right, to get these out, it's gonna be 13 millimeters. So I'm gonna get this removed. God, it's just so corroded, it's so nasty. I'm gonna get this taken out, start with the negative first, and then go ahead and do the positive. This thing is still corroded. I couldn't even twist that off. I had to pull it off from here. That is nasty. I'm just using a brush to scrape all this stuff out. But I also have a battery terminal cleaner. So just go right over that terminal. Twist as you're doing it. Get that nice and cleaned off. Kind of scrapes up that terminal a little bit, but you got to get all that stuff off. You're going to have a bad connection. The car won't start. See, there's corrosion all around the cable itself, so I'm going to have to take this and get in there and get all that crap out. All right, I got one side done. Got most of that corrosion off. Still going to have to just kind of clean things up here. That terminal only holds so much wire. These aftermarket ones are garbage. Yeah, who's to say the factory ones are any good? Otherwise this wouldn't have happened, right? So I'm gonna get the other side put back on and then coat it with this here. The instructions on the battery terminal protector says to go ahead and connect both terminals before spraying it on. So it's gonna come out red. So just get a nice glaze on it. Alright, I'm going to do a startup video on this. It has a set of flow masters. It sounds really good. So let's just make sure everything's operable here. Someone had hit my sister's car right here in a parking garage where she works at. Didn't even leave a note. I think it happened probably about 2 months after she got the car. It's not even my car, and it pissed me off. Just people are just so irresponsible. Not sure if you can see that, but it displays Flowmaster right on the tips. Got a pretty little growl to it. I was never really into Mustangs until I drove my friend's 2012. He had a corroded edition 5.0. Put a 305 intake manifold on it, a tune, and that thing ripped. It was fast. I got it up to about 160 one night in Mexico. Wink. But that's it. Just showing how to clean up battery terminals. Same thing happened on my sister's old Mustang. She had a 2005 V6 before this one. Terminals corroded like it was nobody's business. Happened to my friend's Mustang as well. I don't know what goes on with these cars for that to happen. Maybe somebody can give me an insight on it down in the comments. Or maybe one day I'll do a review on this car, just take it out for a spin and show you what it can do. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. Just a quick how-to on cleaning up some battery terminals. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Subscribe. And this is Chemical Spore. Out.